The Knockies KP Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at a pair of Apple AirPod Pro clones, the Knockies KP Pro. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the standard user guide, ear tips, and the USB-C to Lightning charging cable. The box is similar to the Apple AirPods with the picture embossed on the front. And you have the Knockies branding on the side. The KP Pro features 3.5 to 4.5 hours of listening time, 16 plus with the case, takes 1 hour to fully charge, uses Bluetooth 5.0, touch control, Lightning for charging, and wireless, in-ear sensors, and it has the pop window. Taking a look at the case, it's very hard to tell the difference from the Apple case. It does feel slightly lighter, and the finish is almost identical, plastic and glossy white all around. On the front you have the status LED, and on the bottom is the Lightning port. On the back you'll find the pairing and setup button. Here are the cases side by side, KP Pro on the left and the AirPods Pro on the right. The only thing differentiating it is that AirPods Pro has the manufacturer markings on the back. The lid on the KP Pro is easy to open and it's a bit lighter than the Apple lid. The earbuds are seated just like the AirPods Pro and it's easy to remove from the case. As mentioned earlier, these also have wireless charging, and you can see it on the charger here. Looking at the earbuds, the form factor is also very close to the AirPods. It does have the Force Touch indentation on the stem, but it's not functional. The actual touch controls are on the outer face. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, touch control, LED, charging contacts, and microphone. The LED in the center of the stem only blinks when pairing, and not during playback. Navigating playback and call controls is just a matter of tapping a few times to get the desired function. And here they are side by side. Now the KP Pro and Apple AirPods Pro side by side. Now here they are with the ear tips off, and you will notice that the AirPods have more of an oval shape. The KP Pro case comes in at 2.3 by 1.7 by 0.8 inches. The AirPods Pro case comes in at also 2.3 by 1.7 by 0.8 inches. The KP Pro case weighs in at 30 grams and the AirPods Pro comes in at 47 grams. The KP Pro earbuds come in at roughly 7 grams and the AirPods Pro earbuds come in at roughly 11 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It's not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
So bittersweet, keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in my fears, it's like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Harder keeps the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Knockies KP Pro microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone worked pretty well during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process is also instant. You'll get the pop window just like the AirPods, and you can check your battery levels as well. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Knockies KP Pro, and sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. I have the KP Pro on my right ear and the AirPods Pro on my left. I found the comfort to be in line with the AirPods Pro. It felt very comfortable and I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. They're easy to put on and it seats well in my ears. They also felt secure and it had no issues staying into place. Build and quality is definitely similar to the AirPods Pro. As mentioned, the KP Pros are a bit lighter. You won't get the active noise cancellation feature or transparent hearing, and there's no force touch, only the touch controls on the side. The touch controls were also responsive and I had no issues when navigating. Now let's talk about sound. Bass is definitely present, but it's not a deep, heavy bass. Mids and highs come in clear and clean. I would say this leans more towards the brighter sounds. Volume levels do get loud. Compared to the AirPods Pro, you will get more depth and better overall sounds on the AirPods. So overall, the KP Pros are very similar in design to the AirPods Pro. If you're looking for the AirPods Pro look, these will definitely work. You'll save some money, but you'll give up some of the features like ANC and the transparent hearing that the AirPod Pro offers. So that is my review of the Knockies KP Pro. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.